Hello guys, this is Len from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and this is part 2 of our 2-part series where we fix the S20 Ultra. And let's get started. So part 1 of the video, we fixed the S23 Ultra because David has fixed this smartphone side by side in alternating order. So while he's heating up the S23 Ultra, we are gonna remove the back cover on this S20 Ultra. But in this video, we'll focus our attention to the Galaxy S20 Ultra with a broken display. We're gonna fix it by replacing the display and the housing, and the first step in doing that is by removing the back cover. Back cover on this one is quite tricky. It's, I think, undamaged, so we're gonna take our time. So David is wearing his protective gloves because sometimes he'll heat up the device and to soften the adhesive, and it's quite hot when you handle it with just one hand. So we're taking some gaps here and then slowly slicing through the adhesive. This is the most effective way without damaging the frame or other components underneath it. So plastic prying tools is your friend. Once you make a decent gap on one corner, you can capitalize on that and then pull it upwards slowly so that you can spray in some alcohol and soften more adhesive, and it's just gonna open up. And the more you do it, the easier it gets. When you're on the last corner, you don't want to force the back cover because you're gonna possibly damage it, and especially if you have smartphones with connecting parts to the back cover, you might damage some connectors if you yank it out without checking. And we're on our last side. Open this up. Adhesive strips are quite thick. I think this has been repaired before. Adhesive strips are still effective, but I think we're gonna clean this up because it's quite thick. I'm gonna apply fresh adhesives, liquid adhesives on this one to make it cleaner. So next we're gonna remove screws all over the smartphone to uncover the main board, the battery connectors, and the daughter board. So I think this is a theme for Samsung Galaxy smartphones. You have the same layout. For non-folding smartphones, I think they have the same layout. The wireless charging module is removed. Connectors over the battery, you can peel them off. And then once you go there, you can remove the cover for the daughter board. And then you can actually free up the daughter board with the connectors. There you go. I think next we're gonna free up the main board. So it's got this cover right here, I think for the front camera, but it's a small plastic. We're gonna loosen this screw. I think this is already loose. Pull it out, put that to the side. Remove the SIM card tray. Then we can free up the main board. More screws. Typically, Samsung Galaxy smartphones use the same screw size, so you can interchange them without causing any issues. And they're all Phillips, so no pentalobe screws like what Apple does with their devices. So we have our replacement display and housing in a different color, I think. It's still dark, which I think will fit nicely with the back cover. We have the Mainboard already installed. I'm gonna clean up the cameras because I think David spotted some dust on the rear camera. Gonna put back the SIM card tray to do some positioning. And it's gonna be a quick one. I'm gonna do the reverse. And no surprises here because we have the Galaxy expert in the shop. We have David. And if you want an S20 Ultra revival for your smartphone, you have a busted battery, busted display, busted charging ports, we can replace it. We have parts lying around. We can help you out. If you have any questions, you can leave them down below. Leave a comment. If you can't visit us, maybe you can visit your local repair service center. Ask them if they offer an S20 Ultra screen replacement. Or if you're outside of Sydney and you want Sydney CBD Repair Centre to do the repair for you, you can also mail in your broken smartphone to us. We'll fix it here in the shop and send it back to you once we are done with the repair. So almost done. We're gonna cover this up, last remaining screws and then the back cover. And I hope this inspired you guys to fix your existing smartphones. Actually, if you have an S20 Ultra, you can still use it in 2026. No need for you to buy a brand new smartphone, to be honest. It's still very capable. I think smartphone design, as much as I am a big fan of smartphone technology, I think it has peaked. And the next big thing now is the foldable and bendable displays. But I think in terms of compute power, we have already peaked with the smartphone design. This one is good to go. We're gonna test this. We have some built-in diagnostic tools for Samsung, and David's gonna open them up using the dialer. So we're testing the color for the display, touch capability, buttons, speakers, cameras, and every bit and pieces of the smartphone. So this is it. I think this is good to go. We're just gonna do some touch testing here. There you go. Quality replacement parts for your smartphone. I hope you like this, guys. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe to our channel. This will help us out in terms of the algorithm. And I hope you learned something from this two-part repairathon with our Samsung Galaxy expert, David. And this is an S20 Ultra repaired. Thanks for joining, guys. We'll see you again next time. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.